Okay, remember to read the directions for these. Parallel. Remember, parallel means same slope. So here at number 11, they don't tell you what the slope is, but you're expected to know. Remember the equation y equals mx plus b. This m is your slope, not the x, but just the m. So in this case, the number in front of the end, that's a 4. So this equation, the slope is 4. If you want a parallel slope to it, then the slope that we need is also 4 because it has to be the same. So there's your first step. You found your slope. Second step, point slope form. Y minus, so there's your x1, your y1. Negative 1 is equal to 4x minus 5. And then just clean it up. Y plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 20. Subtract 1 from both sides. You get y is equal to 4x minus 21. Make sure you check. Parallel slope means the same. So there's a 4 there. You should have a 4 there too. Okay, 12. Perpendicular. So remember, recall, perpendicular means first thing you need to do is flip fraction. And then you got to change the sign. So again, y equals mx plus b. The m is your slope, the number in front. So this is the slope that's given to you. So if that's the slope, we need the perpendicular slope. So first thing, we got to flip the fraction. So 2 over 5 becomes 5 over 2. Since this is positive, our slope is going to become negative. So that was step 1, finding your slope. Now step 2, point slope form. Y minus 7 is equal to negative 5 over 2, x minus 4. Okay, then now step 3. Y minus 7 is equal to negative 5x over 2. So this x, it doesn't matter if you put it on the top or the side, they're exactly the same thing. And then negative 5 times negative 5 over 2 times negative 4 comes a positive. So I get 5 times 4 on the top and 2 on the bottom. You know that 5 times 4 is 20. And then you know that 20 divided by 2 is 10. So your answer, or not yet, you got to add 7 to both sides. Y is equal to negative 5 over 2x plus 17. 2 more. These are very similar to number 1. Or not number 1, but number 7. So x1, y1 in your m. So first step, we already know our slope. Second step, point slope form. Y minus 6 is equal to negative 1, x minus negative 2. So y minus 6 is equal to negative 1, x plus 2. And now third step, I'm going to distribute. So y minus 6 is equal to negative x minus 2. And then plus 6 to both sides. Y is equal to negative x plus 4. Okay, last one. Again, this one is just like number 8. First step, slope. So your m is equal to 4 minus negative 5, negative 2 minus 1. Two negatives become a positive, so it becomes 4 plus 5, which is 9. The bottom is negative 3. That reduces to negative 3 for your slope. Second step, call your x1 and y1. So y minus negative 5 is equal to negative 3x minus 1. So it becomes, third step, y plus 5 is equal to negative 3x plus 3. Then a minus 5 to both sides. So I get y is equal to negative 3x minus 2.